let's attempt this makeup thing. I honestly don't know why I'm the only one who can do makeup at this point, but we're going to try. We're going to attempt this together. I'm starting with my brows, obviously. Sometimes I feel like I'm doing everything right, but at the same time I'm doing everything wrong, and like all these other people like make it look so easy, so freaking hard. I feel everything just like not here, so we get this like faded effect. Then I brush it out. I brush here a little. And I conceal with this very, very white concealer. Like when I started doing makeup, like I thought like no concealer can ever be like too white. Then I got this one that is literally white. It's not white, but it's like it's like 5 shades lighter than me. I start from here, my brow bone. Then I just raise my brow a little. Then like arc it, like do the shape I want. It's not as I don't even know if this is bad or not. So I put the whole white concealer on my eyelid like this. So before I go in with the beauty blender, I'm going to use my fingers and just blend it out, blend the edges out. Then I'll go in with my damp beauty sponge and just blend it like so. I'm that kind of person who does my whole face before my eyes, like my eyeshadow and whatever. So we're going to do that. So I'll put this. Wait, this is what I'm using. I know this is a very good concealer, but I don't think it's my shade, obviously. But there's nothing we can do. Nothing here is my shade. So I'll just put this on my eyelids. Just a dash, just like this. And then here as well. I use this brush and then I just like blend it out. I apply the rest of the concealer, basically the TikTok way. I don't know if I'm doing it right, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, and I don't care because I have fun doing it. So I just blend it out with the same brush. So once we're done with that, we get our beauty blender and just pat everything. I'm not really bothered about like my makeup because I don't know, TikTok filter fixes everything. Yeah, I think we're done. This is it. Like the camera actually makes it look better than it actually is. Oh, powder. This one is too light and this one is too dark, so I combine them. I think I bake. I just like set my face. I press it on the outer first. Then I go in with the, what's it called? The beauty blender, and then press it like very well, because right now what I'm doing is just making sure I apply it on the right places. Oh, I want to put too much on my forehead. I think I bake my eyelids though. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. But I feel like we're all here to learn. Beauty blender, then you tap the back of your hand and you just press it all over your face. Press it till it's gone. Like, just put like the lighter powder on the places I want to be light. Don't make any sense. I feel like the key to like good makeup is just clear skin. Like if you have good skin, your makeup like can't be bad. Like you can't go wrong with makeup. I'm going to take this brush again and just do like a shiny brown eyeshadow look, because that's what I like. This smaller brush and put my highlighter. I'm going to put a pink highlight just because I want to today. So I can do this very well. This is my favorite part of doing makeup, the eyeliner. I'll put on my lashes, my falsie, do my inner corner. Putting on lashes is like literally the hardest thing in makeup. Like it's so hard, but we're learning. Look at this eyeliner. Like just look at my fox eyes. Mascara is on. Time for the lashes. Is draw this eyebrow and apply this gloss. Then it's sorry for you. When I'm putting on lashes, I like to follow the eyeliner place. It makes things like so much easier. So I'll do this like off camera, then I'll come back. One eyelash will always be better than the other, so I'm not really like bothered. Now to do my inner corners and apply like the finishing touches. Back, under eye, always and forever. As you can see, I have dual toned lips, so I never really like put much effort when it comes to my lips. I'll just like line them with the brown. Blush, I use lipstick. I put it where my highlight is meant to be, on my nose, either the tip or the bridge, depending on how I'm feeling that day. My other cheek. I'll use my fingers on. This is the finished look.